Today in this video we will be seeing the highlights of Apple's WWDC 2020. Before that, please don't forget to subscribe our channel to get notified every time when we post an awesome new video. Let's get started.
iOS. Our new release is iOS 14.
Apple firstly announced a major update to its operating system, iOS 14. Some highlights of this major update are: a new home screen with the app library, new widgets on the Today view and home screen, a whole new Siri interface, picture-in-picture mode, and other multiple stuffs. This seems to be a great improvement.
That's iOS 14.
Let's take a look at some of the enhancements to iPadOS. The first thing that you'll notice are the same redesigned widgets that you saw.
And then, Apple introduced its updated iPadOS. Some of the highlights of iPadOS 14 are: made for iPad app designs, streamlined system interactions with compact UIs for Siri, search, and calls, powerful new handwriting features with Apple Pencil, and more. This seems to be a minimal update.
We have an exciting new feature coming to AirPods Pro.
Apple then introduced its new feature to AirPods Pro, spatial audio, which can create sound in 360 degrees around a listener.
Then they had updates for the watchOS 2. This included features like tracking dance steps, improvement in sleep monitoring, improved watch faces, and a lot mode updates.
Privacy matters now more than ever. One thing we hear a lot with signing with Apple.
Apple is always concerned about privacy and security of the data. Regarding this, Apple introduced new data monitoring feature in the App Store, permission prompts, and a lot more.
Today we're going to tell you about some really big changes, how we're going to take the Mac to a whole new level. Today is the day we're announcing that the Mac is transitioning to our own Apple Silicon.
So of course, when we updated our apps for Big Sur, we built everything as native for Apple Silicon. Microsoft is hard at work on Office for the Mac. And we've been working with Adobe on their flagship Creative Cloud, and many of their apps are already up and running great.
We expect to ship our first Mac with Apple Silicon by the end of this year, and we expect the transition to take about 2 years. We plan to continue to support and release new versions of macOS for Intel-based Macs for years to come. In fact, we have some new Intel-based Macs in the pipeline that we're really excited about. Our OS releases will be available as developer betas today, and each of them will have a public beta, including watchOS for the very first time starting next month. And all of this great software will be available to our customers this fall.
Well, these were all the updates that Apple brought this year. What's your opinion on this? Leave your thoughts in the comments section. Thank you for watching. Take care. Stay home and stay safe.